Good morning. What's going on, guys? If you guys are asking the question, why did markets jump up so much today? It is because the unemployment rate came in much lower than what was expected. Expectation was 4.2%. The previous was 4.2%. We came in at 4.1%, showing that unemployment, according to the report that was released today, lower than what was expected. You guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. Also, we had non-farm payrolls, and this is the one that really blew it out of the water. Expectation was 147K. We came in at 254K. So significantly more jobs than what was originally expected. Again, also supporting the case that the labor market, according to these reports, are not actually slowing down. So if you're asking the question, why did all of a sudden the market begin to uptick 1 hour before the market opens? Just like I told you guys yesterday, right? I like to be very straightforward. Again, these reports were released 1 hour before the market opens. So therefore, once these reports were released, the markets, based off of expectation and what gets factored in, instantly reacts. And this is why we saw a huge uptick on the NASDAQ market, making new highs for that given day, but then a huge retracement. And again, that could just be due to people wanting to take profits. Whatever the case might be, it's Friday. If we look at this on the 30-minute time frame, it's now beginning to show signs of a potential reversal. But again, if you look at the 1 minute after the non-farm payrolls were actually released and that unemployment rate, markets just have not really stopped holding up here. Now there has been a lot of potential to be able to play with the overbought and oversold levels. So if you're respecting those, it's very easy to understand where to buy, where to sell, where to buy, where to sell, where to buy, and where to sell, right? So other than that, the main focus that I had today was my swing trade on SMCI. I shorted SMCI. I'm here actually visiting Hawaii, so I wasn't up at market open. Market opens here at 3:30 in the morning. As you can imagine, I definitely was sleeping, and unfortunately I have not been going live for our live trading sessions all this week due to that time change. So it has been a little bit challenging, but again, I do get back to Arizona this upcoming week. But because of that, we saw a lot of selling pressure into the open, and that really helped out with my short position. We hit lows of 40.50, we began to recover, and then we sold off again. I announced it to my LPP team that I ended up taking profits, and now I actually ended up going long on my trade on SMCI, which will not be a swing trade. It's just a position that I wanted to go long on as we work to the moving average and or to previous highs of 41.77. And so far on the day, again, $6,400 in the green, and from the open, right, I'm up $2,000, which means that from my long position that I took, I'm up about 2K on that position alone. So I'll make sure that I keep you guys posted. I do plan to go live starting next week. And again, if you guys haven't ever tuned on in, I go live every single morning where, again, you get to see me enter and exit every trade I take, both good and bad. If you ever want to tune on in, it's the second link in the description down below, and actually put a link down there for you that will offer you 50% off, which we don't ever offer anymore. So it's the biggest discount, one-time payment, and yes, you will get access to LPP and all the updates and the daily live sessions. We'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, team.